इतले हे सामके निर्लज्ज कशे आनी घाईन केल्लो आसा. जस्ट इमॅजीन यू आर गोईंग टू अ 5-star hotel, you are going to the hotel, so the child is not being taken into a casino. आणि थंय हॉटेलान भुरग्याक दवरून father, mother or parents, whoever, they go to the access control casino area. But when you are taking a child to a casino vessel, तू तिकेट घेवपाक आसता थंय कॅसिनोचें ब्रँडींग आसता. तू स्पीडर बोटान बसलो की थंय कॅसिनोचें ब्रँडींग आसता. तू वेसलाचेर गेलो थंय कॅसिनोचें ब्रँडींग आसा. The whole time that you are taking that child apparently to a non-gaming area, you are exposing him to the casino branding and advertising. So how are you protecting the child? This is the hypocrisy of this notification. In fact, आम्ही चीफ सेक्रेटरीक मेळिल्ले तेन्ना आमी ताका हे विचारलें, ना ते आमी पळोवन घेता म्हणून लागलो. सो आय डोंट नो, पळोवन घेता ते तुमी पळोवन घेयात. We are not going to sit quiet on this issue. And as per this notification, even though you may allow under 21s to board the casino vessel, you are still exposing children to casino branding and advertising. If you enforce this notification, आम्ही फुडलो स्टेप घेतलो and we will make sure by all means necessary की तुमचे जे कॅसिनोचे एंट्रन्साचे बुकींग ऑफिसाचे ब्रँडींग आसा, तुमच्या बोटीचेर जे कॅसिनोचे ब्रँडींग आसा ते तुमकां आमी काडपाक लायतले. दिस इज अ चॅलेंज टू द चीफ सेक्रेटरी एंड द गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफ गोवा. तुम्ही हे एनफोर्सूच करून दाखया.
I just want to point out the speed at which this government has made this change. I mean, 25th April police complaint केले, and within almost 10 to 11 weeks they have changed the whole act. They have changed the act to allow what is harmful to children. So instead of protecting the people, they are protecting the casinos. And the gaming commissioner, we have been asking for 14 years, there is no rules. So this if they can do in 11 weeks, why can't they notify the gaming commissioner rules which are pending for over 14 years? This is my question to the government. Why is it taking so long? The rules are ready. Just notify it and put the gaming commissioner to use. So there is some scrutiny over the casinos.
You should please understand the importance of these rules. There are no rules for gambling in Goa. No rules. Meaning that nobody knows under what method or a system the gambling is supposed to occur, or what kind of governance over black money. Nothing. And this has been going on for 14 years. 14 years ago they were supposed to notify the rules. Till now they have not notified. But this they did in 2 months to allow children on board casino vessels, which is something, by the way, which is not allowed in the world. Internationally, children are barred from casino gambling. And in Goa now, we are going to make a record that we are allowing children to enter gambling areas.
नोटिफिकेशन कितें म्हणटा?
Notification basically बरयला, designated and licensed places / areas means a separated area in a 5-star hotel or vessel partitioned with access control where the licensee is authorized to install and operate electronic amusement slot machines or table games. So तांणी ते वेसलूय ॲड केला. पयलीं फक्त 5-star हॉटेलाक अलावड आशिल्ले अशें. आज आतां तूं वेसलान सुद्दां भुरग्यांक जुगार खेळटा ते वेसलान सुद्दां व्हरात, एज लॉंग एज दोज एरियाज आर सेपरेटेड. बट आमी जरी केन्ना कॅसिनो वेसलान वचूंक ना आनी भितर ते कोणाक फोटो किंवा व्हिडिओ बी काडपाक दिना. वी डोंट नो वेदर दीस सेपरेशन एक्झिस्ट ऑर नॉट. हे फक्त कायद्या खातीर हे खंयच्या तरी पेपरार घालून तांणी नोटिफाय केला. इज दीस एक्चुली गोइन टू बी एनफोर्स्ड? म्हाका दिसना. बिकॉज हांव म्हणजे वेसल येदो व्हडलो नासता. 5-star हॉटेलान तुका व्हडले लॉबी आसता, हे कॉरिडॉर आसता, वेगळे वेगळे स्पेसीस आसता. Casino vessel is a small area and it has already been designed and constructed for maximizing the gaming area. So here तुम्ही कशे करतले access control separation? So this is not going to be enforced because and there is no way to find out. त्या खातीर गेमिंग कमिशनराची आसपाची आनी तांकां रुल्स आसपाची खूब गरज आसा so that these things can be monitored and controlled.
तुम्ही पणजे गोवा गव्हर्नमेंटान काडलो
तुम्ही पणजे पोलीस स्टेशनान कंप्लेंट घेवन गेले म्हणून वर कायदो हाडला असो दिसता तुमकां?
100% दे हॅव बीन कॉट ऑन द रॉंग फूट. दे इलिगल म्हणून ताणें मानून घेतला हे नोटिफिकेशन काडून. बिकॉज टील नाव children were not allowed and they have admitted that children were going. That is why to make it legal they have announced this notification. Home department.
But
नोटिफिकेशनाची डेट आसा 6 जुलय. बॅक डेट केला काय कित्याक ते हांव नकळो. पूण This is come in yesterday's Gazette.
But Valmiki एक सांग म्हाका.
Rules.
Yeah, we had complained also to the gaming commissioner about this entry of children on board the casino. Now, in 2012, the gaming commissioner was said that as per the act, the gaming commissioner should be notified. But it was notified only in 2020 as the commissioner of commercial taxes. Now, when we went with this issue to the gaming commissioner, who is supposed to take action, he mentioned that there are no rules notified, so he cannot take any action, and he has no enforcement structure, no personnel to or officers to enforce this any conditions. So already the Act in 2020 specifies various things which the gaming commissioner is supposed to do. But because the gaming rules are not there, he is washing his hands off and he is saying he is not responsible. It's the home department which the casinos come under. So they are only operating under the home department. And neither is the home department taking any action. Now, who is boarding on the casinos? What is their age? Whether Goans are boarding or non-Goans are boarding, there is no control. How many people are going? What are the transactions being carried out there? And also, as per international laws, there is supposed to be a anti-money laundering monitoring, which is a highly technical subject, which I don't think the Goa government has any capacity even to do, because the way they are functioning, they are giving a total free hand to the casinos. So it is operating entirely without any control.
So gaming commissionerचे काम किती तर?
कारण आता डिस्क्राईब केलं की राईट फ्रॉम
होय
कंट्रोलिंग द
पण
एंट्री
आता बसना जाल्यार त्याची कांयच ड्युटीज ना जाल्यार बेस्ट अननेसेसरी वेस्टिंग टॅक्स पेयर्स मनी जालें ना अशें.
अपॉइंटमेंट करून दवरला.
And he is in 9 posts. One man is in holding 9 positions. म्हणजे कितले seriousness दिता ह्या कामाक पळय.
But the wastage of his salary is a micro portion of the loss because of his inactivity. जसे बाब लुकसान सांगलें, because there is no control or monitoring of the transactions, even entry feature कितले लोक येतात. Goa government is losing thousands of crores of revenue per year. हांव हे तुमकां कॅमेरा फुडें सांगता. If you want, I will give you statistics of thousands of crores, हजारांनी कोटी revenue आमच्या सरकाराक मिस जाता because they are allowing casinos to do this without any rules. आणि कॅसिनोज पैसे धाडटा ते कोणाक पावता, कोणाच्या बोल्सांत पावता ते तुमी सगळे जाणा. पूण गोवा गव्हर्मेंट डज नॉट गेट एनी मनी.
ओके, वाल्मिकी म्हाका एक सांग, एज पर लॉ जे 18 वर्सां वयर जाली कोण तांकां लिगली रायट्स मेळटा.
21.
ओके 21. सो आतां तेंचे म्हणटा 21च्या एजी वयर तुमी वचूं शकता. सो दे आर नो मोर चायल्ड अशें गव्हर्मेंट आर्ग्यू करतले. 21 इज नॉट एक्चुअली चायल्ड. सो तेजे तुमचें म्हणटा
Under 21 can be 6 years also, 12 years also.
Baby.
अंडर 21 म्हटला काय अबाउट 21
Under
म्हटला
20.
Under 21.
अंडर 21.
As per gambling act, the legal age for gambling is 21, even though they may be an adult.
Internationally,
For example, contesting elections, even though you are an adult, आता एक minimum legal age असता 25 years. So even बाकीच्या देशांनी सिगरेट ओडपाक सुद्दां 25 वर्सांचा असता, अल्कोहोल पिवपाक इंडियान सुद्दां 21 वर्सांचा. सो लायक हांव तुमकां तेंच सांगता, गॅम्बलिंग इज नॉट समथींग दॅट एनी अडल्ट ऑफ 18 years can do. The age is actually increased to 21 because it is assumed that you
That
are
is
not
by
even.
law. We are not saying.
Yeah, that is by law.
मॅडम व्हडलो कसिनो येना म्हणटात तुमी, पूण तुमच्या घरा मुखार हाडून ते वेसल दवरलेले तो येता म्हणून आनी म्हणलेले 1 म्हयन्यान थंयच्यान हालयतले म्हणून. पूण आयज पळयता आमी ते अजुनूय थंयच आसा.
थंयच आसा. There's a new jetty also come. आमी कॅप्टन पोल्साक हिसाब कितें जाता आनी कॅप्टन पोल्साक डेल्टनाक खूब रिमायंडर दिला इन रायटींग. बट डेल्टनान I've got an under RTI. डेल्टनान सांगला की they have asked for permission for dredging. ते मार्केटा फुडें ते बोट शिफ्ट करूंक जाय तांकां, बट ते परमिशन मेळूं ना तांकां ड्रेजिंग. सो अंटील द ड्रेजिंग परमिशन इज गिवन, डेल्टन सांगता आमी कितें काय करूं शकना.
पूण जर न्यू बोट येना जाल्यार ते पयलींच्या प्लेसीर कित्याक वचूंक शकना जंय ती पयली आसली?
that place is reserved for the new boat. Until the court decides, they are not going to touch it. They tashets राव.
So that means there is a chances for the new boat if it's reserved.
That is what the company is saying. And if you see, the branding on the jetty पहिलेचे असले opposite the mermaid garden जे boarding points असतात. Last jetty used to be King's Casino. ते पहिले ते dolphin shaped boat आले त्याचे आता ते गेले ते January. So that was closed. But now they have changed it. New branding has come last week. Delton Life. So which means they are getting ready for the new boat. Court matters going on. I don't think they care. But they are getting ready with their this for the new boat to come.
So soon after monsoon.
We'll have to see. The next hearing is on 18th of August. Let's hope the courts make the right decision.
One more point is that how we don't know what is happening on the casinos is that they have rooms. Did you all know that they have rooms? They are listed as hotels. All these casinos have rooms. If you go to the website, you cannot book those rooms. So what are those rooms being used for? It's a question. What are they being used for?
Hotel registration dila tha.
So, and this is what that commissioner should be knowing. He should know exactly what is happening on the casinos. But they are functioning for 14 years without any knowledge. The government claims you don't know only what's happening because the rules are not notified. And this is really a joke on the people of Goa because God only knows what is happening.
So why the people is still quiet and why the politician or opposition also is quiet?
I think one can guess that the casinos have a lot of money. Money always talks up. It's like, I mean,
सरकार जेन्ना म्हणटा की आमी वी गेट रेवेन्यू फ्रॉम कसिनोज वॉटेवर लिटल लीगल रेवेन्यू ते गेट ते स्पेंडिंग बॅक ऑन कसिनो जशें आज आमी तुमकां दाखयलें गेमिंग कमिशनर ना म्हणून खरो रेवेन्यू जो येवंक जाय हजारांनी कोटी रुपया तो आमकां येना दॅट इज अ लॉस दिस इज वाय वी आर अगेन्स्ट कसिनोज फक्त ते फक्त टेक ओवर करता आनी actually Panjim MLA rightly said it, but he only said it. He is not doing anything about it. He said that the casinos are running the government of Goa. So it's completely true. And in fact, फाल्याचो हेडलायन ही नोटिफिकेशन करून तुमचो फाल्याचो हेडलायन किंवा ह्या लायव्हाचो हेडलायन तुम्ही असो घालात की BJP गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ गोवा मेक्स इट लीगल फॉर चिल्ड्रन टू बोर्ड गॅम्बलिंग वेसल्स. दिस इज द फॅक्ट. दॅट शुड बी द हेडलायन एक्चुअली. मोस्ट शेमलेस BJP गव्हर्मेंट.
गेमिंग कमिशन इंटरनॅशनली करिना काय म्हणून गव्हर्मेंट गेमिंग कमिशन अपॉइंट करिना सॉरी तेजे रुल्स मुद्दम फ्रेम करिना काय म्हणटा.
तेच म्हणटा न्ही गेमिंग कमिशनाचो कॉन्सेप्ट 2012 आयिल्लो आनी तेन्नाच्यान आज पर्यंत हे गेमिंग कमिशनर इज ओन्ली ऑन पेपर. आमी बोवाळ जातकूच गव्हर्मेंटान एक हे केल्लें अनाउन्समेंट केल्लें मार्चान की वी हॅव फायनलायज द रुल्स कॅबिनेट अप्रुवलाक धाडटले आनी बेगीन नोटिफाय जातले. अजून पर्यंत जावंक ना. ताकाच 4 म्हयने जावन गेले.
आतां तुमकां कितें एश्युरन्स मेळ्ळा?
पण आज आमी GSPCR कडेन फक्त इतल्याच खातीर आयिल्ले की लास्ट टायम वी हॅड आस्क्ड अस फॉर 30 days. वी हॅड कम टू मीट हिम टू सी वॉट एक्शन ही हॅज टेकन. अनफॉर्च्युनेटली ही वॉज नॉट देर रायट नाव. आमी अपॉयंटमेंट घेवंक नाशिल्ले सो वी आर नॉट ब्लेमिंग हिम. सो तें एक सांगपाक आयिल्लें आनी तांकां ही नोटिफिकेशनाची कॉपी दिवपाक आयिल्ले. सो we hope that he will take some action on this because GSPCR actually powers asa to even ask the government on what basis you are allowing this, because this is completely illegal and this is an admission that whatever was happening before this date has been illegal for all this.
Thank you.